So this here is gonna be my first video on this channel for my Civic. Basically, I'm gonna just do a review on the grill and the lip that I bought off eBay. Just see if it's worth it or not, cause cheap parts, you never know how it's gonna go. But so before I show you how it looks now, cause it's not an install video. I already put it on the car. Me and my dad helped me. I'm gonna show you the before and after pictures, and then I'll go out and I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. Then I'm gonna show you the prices, how fast they came, just so you can see whether you would like to do the same or not. And yeah. Alright, so here's the car. This is how it looked beforehand. Basically how I got it, cause this is gonna be the first. This is the first thing that I did to it. See how it looked. This how it was, but now this how it looks. You see the grill, the lip, and one thing to note, like if you look at my side skirts, it was super faded. So all I did was spray paint it with gloss black paint, and you see the difference that it made. It looks way cleaner. And I got the tires, the rim set up because I already got coilovers, camera kit, just ready to set that up. Then I'll do a video on that too, because the car gonna look way different once I get it lower and all that on. But yeah, and I'm finna go outside and show y'all, tell y'all about how it was. Basically, how it looks now. And yeah, so basically, the lip, it came ready to go. Only thing that you need is a 3M tape from AutoZone, but it's like $4, so you'll need that. And for the grill, you don't need anything. And I'm finna pop the hood. You just tell a little bit more about that too. It comes with everything that you need to install it. So really both of them good. The only downside to the grill, there's nothing to hold this down. But it'll never come out while you're driving around like that, so it's kind of irrelevant, I guess. Grill, it was at $12, so really cheap compared to everything else. I paid by the 9th, and I got it by the 12th, so I came in 3 days, cost $12. My opinion, that's worth it. And for the lip, I spent $50 on it, and then like $10 on shipping, so $63 in total. Paid on the 8th, came roughly a week, so I mean, it really wasn't expensive. So in my opinion, I think that it's worth it. Grill, it was at $12, so really cheap compared to everything else. I paid by the 9th, and I got it by the 12th, so I came in 3 days, cost $12. My opinion, that's worth it. And for the lip, I spent $50 on it, and then like $10 on shipping, so $63 in total. Paid on the 8th, came roughly a week, so I mean, it really wasn't expensive. So in my opinion, I think that it's worth it. So overall, it wasn't expensive. I spent $70 in total, but I mean, for what I got, when I got it, came in on time. So in my opinion, it was worth it. I don't know if some of you may think that, but so yeah, so far it's been so good. I make more videos or other stuff that I bought, but I'm in the process of getting it together. And yeah.